Hi guys, I've done a little bit more work on my Ford truck, Ford F650 truck. I've lowered it a little bit further. When I did it first of all, the front wasn't quite as low as the back, but I've lowered it a bit. I've actually had to widen it a bit as well to allow for the wheels to turn at the front there. So we'll have a little run up and down the kitchen. I've got the action cam behind it on a trailer. I don't know what's happened there. The actual steering unit's come a bit loose. It was only super glued in place. That's the extra bit of plastic I added to lower it just about another 1/4 of an inch. I've added 4 nice bolts right the way through now, so I don't have to rely on the super glue holding it in place. So that should stiffen it up a bit. Just a thought, while I've got it apart, I'll just show you how I widened the bodywork. I've got a wooden ruler there that I've just cut so it's actually stretching the bodywork apart, which gives me a bit more clearance in the front wheel arches. Right, we'll go again. This time hopefully the steering won't come loose. Well, that seems to work. I'm just going to try and put the trailer on the front and drive it backwards a little bit, just so we can get a front view in the action camera. I'll have to drive it backwards. That's harder than it looks. I've never really tried reversing trailers. I think that'll do. Get the general idea. I'm quite pleased with this one. I like the look.